maingay. Hi guys! So, buong maghapon guys, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Ngayon lang ako magba-vlog ulit. Oh, may fireworks! Fireworks! Oh, fireworks! Fireworks guys! Ihaw kami ng isda ngayon. Asan na? Wow! Fireworks!
Ano? Everyday na ba ano?
Fish! Yan guys, fish.
Ano ko kupay?
Wala.
Ano ko Rusty?
Rusty, nahadlok ikaw?
Wow! Ako pag Christmas, masumulala. Kaya ito. Shiny?
Yun lang. Yun lang ang...
Okay na, bebe?
So guys, hindi ako nag-vlog guys kanina kasi sobrang busy ko. Guys, lulutuin ko ngayon ay ito, string beans. Hindi ko ginisa ang pork and then yung garlic and onion kasi si Mister meron pa ring diarrhea. Kaya iniwasan ko munang maggisa-gisa. Kaya nilagay ko yung pork and then yung kunting tubig para medyo maluto siya. And then ito pala guys, kanina pala guys, nag-grocery kami. Pumunta kami muna sa bank kasi naubusan ako ng budget. Kailangan kasi ng budget. Magastos dito sa Pinas. And then, marami kasi kami ring binayaran na mga... Nagpa-deliver kami ng garden soil. Tapos, muna binayaran namin yung 21,000. Hindi pala garden soil. Dineliver nila parang dirt soil. Pero, pwede daw yun gamitin ang tanim-tanim ng kahit ng ano lang, pwede naman daw yun, pero pinatuhan ko na lang ng garden soil kanina, nag-order ako ulit, so nagpa-deliver kami ulit ng anapog, para lang ma-fill yung area na yun. So magastos guys, ang daming gastos. So ayun naman, nagpa-deliver kami ng anapog, 22 cubic, ano siya, 11,000 pesos. And then kanina, na pumunta kami, nag-grocery kami. Si Mr. doing better.
We're getting there. We're getting there.
Getting there.
Still got no water?
Oh, there's water in the drinking water. Just not the... Sometimes there is, sometimes nothing. There was fireworks in there, but it's not long.
No.
So, hindi rin ako guys maglalagay ng toyo kasi medyo hindi okay yung tiyan ko sa soy sauce. Kaya inisip ko baka hindi rin okay sa kanya. Kaya hindi ako magsusoy sauce ngayon. Gagamitin ko na lang ay oyster sauce. And then kunting asin, and then paminta. Yan lang.
Smells like good to eat. Yes, it does. My wife did
Yeah,
cook.
we're gonna have string beans and then inihaw na isda. Yun lang. Bumili ako kanina ng broccoli. Nag-iihaw sila ngayon doon. And then ito kamote. And then eggs. And then ito mga ano, yan, sili kasi mahilig sila sa maanghang. Then kamatis, sibuyas, carrots, and then banana, then tangerine, lemon. Kasi medyo may ubo pa ako, pero nung uminom ako kanina ng lemon with water lemon, and then with honey, medyo, I feel better now. I don't feel coughing.
Good.
Yeah, remember last night I was
You
coughing?
were terrible. You've been
So-
terrible the whole trip.
So after I drink lemon water with honey, I feel better.
Good.
And then avocado. Yan, dalawa. Yeah, and then we bought dalawang lutuan, kaldero. And then yun lang. And then si Mr. nagpe-prepare na ng coffee for tomorrow.
Yep, coffee for tomorrow.
Are you gonna go to the gym
Yeah, I am
tomorrow?
going to the gym.
I'll tell Evelyn.
I'm walking up, buddy. I need to work.
Really?
Oh yeah, I need work.
Wow. So guys, my husband just gonna walk to the gym, to the Mactan New Town.
It's not very.
How many, is it an hour walk?
No, half an hour.
Oh, half an hour? Oh,
It's only a mile and a half.
that's so far.
It's not very far.
So my husband wants to walk from here to Mactan New Town.
Yeah, back.
Yes, his gym is in the Mactan New Town. Yeah, Evelyn can drive him in a motorcycle. It's just easy. But he wants to walk.
I need to work my cardio. No cardio work.
Mm.
This is my start. I got 4 days to get my little butt in gear. The little butt's not coming too little anymore. It's a big butt.
Your big butt.
Butt.
Pepper, and then hindi ako maglalagay ng like pancit sarap. Hindi na. Ano na lang yung nilalagay ko ito? Oyster sauce.
Oh, how goes for Rusty? Look. Good. Yeah.
Yeah, get.
Michael like Rusty will like this too. Get it, Rusty. Get it. Get it. He don't play games like that, do you? Look at your bone. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. I want to get that bone. Give me it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Do it. Do it.
Are you gonna get Mikey?
I just fed him.
Oh. Bumili pala si sister ko ng goat's milk. Goat's milk. And then, tingnan natin guys sila nag-iihaw ng fishy. Ayan, saluto na. Tatlo lang. Tag-isa kami, wala si Madge.
Yung dagpungan.
Ayan. Paluto na. Paluto ng aming fish. Oh, that's the toys for Mikey.
Russ.
Oh, my gosh.
Goodness, you're stepping on the little guy.
Oh.
Oh,
Rusty,
Rusty.
don't do that.
Oh.
Why are you running, Mikey?
Oh. He's running from Rusty.
Ikaw mo pa.
Take a nap.
Ito na guys, inihaw na isda, and then string beans, and then rice. Because rice is life. Himayan ko si Tom kasi hindi yan marunong maghima. Pag-i-eat na, oh my gosh, late na naman ako nag-prepare ng dinner. Kasi gusto niya early ang dinner. Anong oras na? Sorry, late dinner again.
Hey, dinner.
Late dinner.
Hey, dinner. That fish looks good. You got any
Huh?
soy?
Balen!
Oh, poor Belen. Is this my water or is that Belen's water?
Yours. We're gonna eat later because the one fish is still not okay.
Mhm.
You like soy sauce? You don't get no problem with your tummy?
Good question. I don't know what causes the problem. Some kind of bug, that's for sure.
There's bone in there, okay?
I'm gonna just stick it, kick it.
Yeah. Because soy sauce makes my tummy not okay.
Everything makes my tummy not okay.
And string beans.
Mhm.
No soy sauce.
Okay. Good?
More?
Not yet. You gotta take it slow, honey. You gotta take it slow.
Hi guys! Hello! Guys, we are going to the beach. Not really beach, but it's sea. Sea.
Beach-ish.
Beach-ish. Beach-ish.
Oh, it's
High tide?
yeah.
Oh, high tide? Oh no.
5 p.m. is the highest tide.
I thought you want high tide.
No, I want low tide. So we can see the beach. Because if it's high tide, you cannot see the beach.
The low tide is morning.
So we have to come here morning. Again, tomorrow morning. So guys, we are here. This is part of the subdivision. So guys, nagdala kami ng chair. Oh. So guys, ito yung parang beach ng subdivision namin. Meron siyang beach resort pero nandun, dadaan ka muna sa doon banda sa Mactan New Town. Kaya medyo malayo kasi sinarado nila yung daanan papuntang direktong ano talaga beach. Yes, yan ang dagat, ang linaw. Kailangan pa nilang i-develop dito. Kasi wala pa kasing mga masyadong bahay, kaya hindi pa nila masyadong dinidevelop. Pero yung beach resort talaga, maganda doon. Ma-develop talaga, dito lang yung hindi. Wala. Ito yung balin parang kinakain natin, 'di ba? Ito yung bunga. Bunga, ano itong nga pangalan nito? Ha? Ano yung ngaran? Ito hiya. Yan, nakakain yan. Kalimutan ko lang tawag, pero nakakain yan.
Ito?
Iwan ko. Kalimutan ko na.
Di, may dito.
Sure.
My husband brought the telescope.
Sure.
Oh, swim na. Free beach. Guys, maraming isda dito. Tingnan natin.
Itong nandun.
Sige. Marami is ready.
Sweet potato.
I already have my water.
You get your water?
Yeah, I don't want cold.
Yeah.
Service food, fancy.
Oh my.
Ate yan? So guys, time for dinner na. So guys, ito ang broccoli, sweet potatoes, fried chicken, rice, and pancit canton.